Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of C Harmonic Minor. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review the notes for a C Harmonic Minor scale, and they are Do, C sharp, Re, D sharp, Me, E, Fa, F sharp, So, G sharp, Le, A, T, B sharp, and Do, C sharp. So remember this augmented second here between Le and T. It's a big stretch. So the fingering for this minor scale is one of the more difficult fingerings. So do it nice and slow to lock it in. So we're going to start with the right hand on 3 and then 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 to accommodate that big gap there. Then 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 4, 3, and 4. Left hand, slightly more straightforward. We'll have 3 on this black key and 4 on this black key. So 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. So we have a big augmented second between fingers 1 and 2 and 2 and 1 in the left hand. When you're playing these scales, you want to keep a couple of things in mind. The first thing is, are you playing in a parallel fashion? So by that I mean, are the hands playing the same note at the same time, up or down? Or are the hands playing in contrary motion? That means one hand is playing up the scale, the other is playing down the scale. So this part can be tricky for this C Harmonic Minor, because you really have to keep track of where the black keys are, because the hands are not playing the keys at the same time. So right hand would be playing up, and left hand down. Now they switch. So once you know how to do both of those segments, both parallel and contrary, then you put them all together. So take a look at the chart up above, and you'll see the formula pattern scale organized into segments. So parallel segments are going to have the lines close together, and contrary segments will be more of a diamond shape. So we're going to start with a parallel up, then the diamond shape. So contrary, out and in, parallel, up, down, contrary, out and in, and then finally down. So we're going to lock all of that in very slowly, because the fingering is so tricky for this, using a series of short and long rhythms. So it's going to feel like this. We'll start with 3 on Do, 3 on Do. Here we go. Left hand's going to cross over with 4. Right hand crosses under 3. Now, right hand's going to continue up. Left hand's going to turn around for a contrary. So right hand up, left hand down. Now right hand's going to come down, left hand up. Now we're doing in. And now left hand's going to continue up, right hand turns around, parallel. Cross under 3. Now down, parallel. Cross over with 3. Left hand continues on down, right hand turns around for contrary motion, under 4. Now in, both hands switch. Left hand crosses with 4, right hand crosses with 3. Now right hand's going to continue on down, left hand changes direction, parallel, under. Now we'll do that without the dotted rhythms. So we'll start with up, parallel. Here we go. Cross with 4. Out. Opposite directions. Then in. Left hand continues up, right hand turn around. Parallel, up and down. Right hand switch, out. When you're playing these scales with lots of black keys, try to stay towards the edge rather than flat on the blacks. It will help you get a better sound and be able to play them more fluently. So if you take a look at the chart up above once more, you'll see the only thing that changes when we switch from 2 octaves to 4 octaves is the length of the segment. So before we were doing 1 octave. Now, each segment is going to be 2 octaves. So we start 1 octave apart, a little lower on the piano, then we move up 2 octaves, then out and in, up, down, out, in, and back down. So here we go. We're going to do 2 octave segments, starting with 3 and 3 on Do. Here we go. Parallel, up. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of C Harmonic Minor. We covered 2 octaves and 4 octaves. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.